basketball action. De La Peña, isang magandang pass sa Belliro. Again, good for 2 points. Isang swak na pasa, isang swak na abang-abang na mga bakbakan na magaganap dito sa ating barangay matahimik basketball court. Good for 2 points. Belliro. May tahan ng bola, bubukol na tatuhan. Belliro, bang, 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 3 points again.
5 minutes and 43 seconds to go for the second half, third period ng ating basketball action. Siya, pinagkatiwa. Going for Belliro, jumper for 2 points. Swak na naman, tinatang malayuan. Belliro for the final quarter. Jesus, yeah, going for the Belliro, jumper for 2 points. Belliro, Nasri. Walang liwanag. Ang side step by up, go for De La Peña, and Belliro. Go for De La Peña, and Belliro, jumper. Wow, what a play! Dalawang beses na may mga magagandang pihit itong gabi. Bonus shot for Belliro, jersey number 12, the scoring machine for Team Barangay Bang.